Hey there, YouTube creators. So, have you ever wanted to film your video in a dream location, but you're stuck in your room or office? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning, professional looking fake background for your video that will leave your audience impressed. No need for the expensive equipment or fancy studio, just simple tools and easy steps you can follow right at your home. So if you're ready to transform your video production game, stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a background with Chatgpt and Leonardo AI. So if you put this prompt, give me 10 prompts to generate 10 house interior backgrounds images. Great for YouTube video background using Leonardo AI. Then click on generate. And let's see what ChatGPT will give us. So it's giving us living room, cozy bedroom, kitchen background, luxury house background, studio background, so on and so forth. So now I'm going to copy one of these prompts here and take it to Leonardo AI to generate an image. So go to Leonardo AI and look for image generation here. So your model, you can use the Phoenix or the Flex or the Phoenix 0.9, or you can use Cinematic, just whichever works for you or the graphic design. There's also some very nice one. This is Lifelike Vision, and this is Portrait Perfect. So now I'm gonna let's use the Lifelike Vision. It's usually very bright. I'll keep the style as dynamic, the contrast is high, fast. I want it to be a YouTube landscape. Then it can generate 4 images for me. So let's see, I'm gonna close this. Above, I'm gonna put my prompt here. Let's remove this, put the prompt, and I'm gonna click on generate. So let's see what it has. So for this generation, it took 14 credits. So Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits every single day. Now look at what it generated, guys. This is really beautiful. So now I can use this as my background. So I can save this by clicking on download image. Then I will go to my editor. It can be CapCut, but I usually use either Canva or I use Photoshop to edit my thumbnail. I'm going to use Canva because it's easier for everyone to be able to use that. So let's see here. So I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to create a design. Now this is for a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to check for YouTube thumbnail here. Then I'm going to upload my thumbnail. So let's upload what we saved. I had it on download. I'm going to double click on this. So I'm going to just click on it. Instead of clicking on it, I can just drag it so that it snaps into the background, just like this. Now I'm going to click on edit. I want to blur this image so I can get a really nice blur background. So while you're here, we did the auto adjust. Then you can now go to transparent and reduce the transparency just to blur it a little bit. So now I'll add my image on this now. So the last step you do is I'm going to put my images here. So I'm going to go to upload and get an image here. And just click on it. Now I'm going to remove the background of my image,
by clicking on the BG remover. There you go, that was really fast. And I just expand my image a little bit and drag it up. So guys, you can now add your text to this image. You can see this is really fast. I'm going to click on text here. I'm just going to say this background is fake. I'm going to click on this and drag it here. So now I can use this as my thumbnail. I can also use this as my image. I can also put my video here and just remove my background and do a video and use this background. Like, it is amazing how you can generate background. So you can now save this by clicking on the share button up here and the download button down here. So let's click on download, and here you have it, guys. You have your completed background ready for you. It is very easy.
And there you have it. Creating a fake background for your YouTube video is simpler than you think, and it can instantly elevate your content to a whole new level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your content creation game. Let me know in the comment section if you try this out, and I'd love to hear about your results. Until next time, keep creating and keep shining. Bye.